Hi, I'm Mona, and I'm thrilled that you are joining me today. I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to create an enchanting autumn card like this using the newest lawnfawn interactive die. Let's dive right in. First, I am creating 3 panels with this die from the Tada Diorama die set. For the front panel, I've chosen the beautiful turquoise cardstock from the favorite flannel petite paper pack, while the lovely peach colored paper with gold foil accents is from the spiffier speckles paper pack. The teal die cut is made from the beautiful mermaid heavyweight cardstock. Next, instead of this window right here, I am using this scalloped window shaped die from the Shadow Box card Ocean add-on die to add a decorative touch to the front of the card. Then I am easily adhering them together with glue tube to make the front a bit sturdier. Now I have selected the second die and made 2 more die cuts using light brown woodgrain cardstock. As you can see, these die cuts come with 2 score lines. I am placing them facing each other and attaching the 2 small dies with arrows between both score lines. Afterward, I run them through my die cutting machine. After this process, I simply fold the score lines back and forth using my Teflon bone folder. Once that's done, I apply adhesive to the narrowest part, fold it in half, and adhere it to the back of the diorama base. At this point, I like to run the bone folder over it 1 more time before moving on to anything else. Next, I am using the diorama hillside inserts to create 2 pieces from brown cardstock to form the landscape. When that's done, I fold back the flaps on the edges. I insert these finished pieces into the base and unfold them once again. Afterward, I create 2 drawer-shaped die cuts from the Tada diorama base set, folding them in half and attaching them to the assembled base. Since the front will have the plate pattern, I adhere them to the back of the card front. Make sure the small tabs match up with the holes on the back of the front panel. Then I insert the front panel into the prepared back panel. The Tada diorama die is simply brilliant and I already love the result. Now let's fill the empty diorama with a bit of cuteness. For creating my scene, I will use the following stems, which works perfectly together. They are all linked in the description box in case you want to check them out. I stamped the critters and the other elements with jet black ink pad onto Nina Solar White cardstock. After a quick heat set, I start the coloring process with Ohuhu markers. I'm very excited that lawnfawn has a stamp set with pinecone stamps. They are beautiful and perfect addition to fall and winter projects. Now I will add some music in the background to make the coloring part even more enjoyable. After the die cutting, the images are done and they look so lovely. I will place them in their proper positions as soon as possible, but before that, I will create a banner with the fancy banner die from apricot cardstock. Next, I stamped the happy birthday sentiment from the wavy saying set with watermark ink. I heat emboss it with white embossing powder, next I fold it with my bone folder and adhere them together. Finally, I'm finishing the card with some styling. For the background, I am adding a detailed background die cut created with the quilted backdrop die. On top of that, I am adhering the diorama with the colored pine cones, leaves, and the lovely birds in their proper places. And tada! Here is my finished card. I hope this has inspired you to get creative too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in your comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!